Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about dictionary loop. Okay, how dictionary loop is work, very important. How can you access all the members and keys from the dictionary object, and how you can print that particular dictionary members with values, or you can access only members also, you can access only values also by help of different functions. So let's see how it is going to be accessed through loops. Now first you are going to declare one dictionary object. Okay, my in previous videos there is the previous code is present here. I will copy that code directly. Okay, I code the copy and take it here and paste it. Fine, so it's save my time. Okay, and now I am going to print it d1. Okay, d1, when it is going to be printed, it returns all these things. Okay, now I print this particular through loop for x in d1 print x. Okay, so what is going to be written here? Model, brand, year. But if I, in this case, I am using d1 of x, so what is going to be written? Object with member. It returns your values. Indirectly, it returns values. Return values. Now, I need only members. Return only members. How? For x in d1 print x. It return only members. Okay, in this way. So now print all keys names in the dictionary one by one. Okay, for x in return only keys. Keys means here member. For x in d1 dot key colon print x. So it return only. That's a in previous code also same. This code is also same, but here I am going to use keys function. After that there is called values. Okay, there is values. Return only values. So there is a values function for x in d1 dot values print x. Okay, Ford, Mustang, and 2007 year. Okay, now print both. Okay, keys with values by help of the items function for x comma y in d1 dot items, then print x comma y. Okay, brand Ford, model Mustang, year 2007. Here also you can use column. Okay, you can use column. See, brand Ford, model Mustang, year 2007. So this is the dictionary loop, how we can access members, how you can access values, how you can access both members and values. Okay, with function, without functions. Fine, understand? If you have any further doubt, go through the comment box and type there. And also click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.